Ever wondered how that trusty milk pan in your kitchen came to be? Well, it's not just any pan, it's a quality milk pan. Crafting these kitchen heroes is like an art, with a blend of science and skill. It starts with picking the right stuff, adds a touch of smart design, and stirs in a lot of care. The result? A milk pan that heats just right, doesn't stick, and lasts through countless cups of cocoa or tea. Stick around to discover the secret recipe behind making the perfect milk pan. Material selection. Selecting the right materials for crafting superior ceramic-coated pans is akin to preparing gourmet ingredients for a culinary masterpiece. The pan's foundation, known as the base material, is carefully chosen, with options like aluminum for rapid and uniform heating or stainless steel for its durability and resistance to corrosion. Meanwhile, the ceramic coating material, the pan's superhero cape, is meticulously crafted to be non-stick, durable and heat-resistant, with manufacturers using unique recipes that blend ceramic particles, binders, and special ingredients. Lastly, the surface preparation material acts like a canvas primer, ensuring that the ceramic coating adheres perfectly and looks flawless through techniques such as sanding, polishing, or specialized treatments. These material preparations serve as the essential building blocks for creating ceramic-coated pans that meet the highest standards of performance and durability. Material preparation. Preparing the materials for crafting ceramic-coated pans is a critical step, much like gathering all the right ingredients before cooking a delicious meal. It starts with base material cleaning, where the chosen base material, such as aluminum or stainless steel, gets a thorough cleaning to get rid of any dirt, oils, or other stuff that could make the ceramic coating not stick well. They use methods like cleaning, washing, or special solvents to make sure the surface is super clean. After that, it's time for surface conditioning. This part depends on the base material. They might do things like sanding or blasting to make the surface a little bit rough so the ceramic coating can stick better. Sometimes they go for a surface treatment to make the bond between the base material and the ceramic coating even stronger. They might use processes like chemical etching or adding a special coating to help them stick together. After preparing the base material, they create the ceramic coating material, much like crafting a special sauce. This mixture combines ceramic particles, binders, and additives to achieve the right balance for non-stick properties, durability, and heat resistance. Before applying it, the coating material undergoes filtering to ensure cleanliness and a final mixing step to achieve uniformity. These steps are crucial for ensuring the ceramic coating sticks well, lasts, and results in top-quality pans. Forming the pan body. Creating the foundation of ceramic-coated pans is a critical step, shaping the entire structure from the cooking surface to the sides and bottom. It all begins with the meticulous selection of the right sheet metal, where materials like aluminum or stainless steel are chosen based on specific qualities like heat conductivity and durability. Once the sheet metal is selected, it undergoes cutting and blanking to achieve the desired sizes and shapes, involving techniques like shearing or laser cutting. This fascinating process involves techniques like deep drawing to create the cooking surface's depth, stamping or pressing to shape the sides and add handles, bending and flanging for edges and flanges, and finishing touches like trimming and polishing. It's a precision art with specialized machinery, creating perfect pan bodies ready for surface preparation and ceramic coating application, taking them closer to becoming high-quality ceramic coated pans. Handle attachment. This is a critical step that ensures the pan's safety and user-friendliness during cooking. It all begins with handle selection, where a heat-resistant material like plastic, silicone, or stainless steel is chosen, considering factors like heat resistance, durability, comfort, and design. Handles are thoughtfully designed to fit the pan's specific size and shape, incorporating ergonomic features and grips for a comfortable and secure hold. Before attaching the handle, it might undergo surface preparation, involving cleaning or sanding to ensure a strong attachment. Handles can be attached through various methods, such as riveting, welding, or screw fastening, with each method ensuring a secure fit. After attachment, the pan goes through testing and quality control to verify the stability of the handle and its overall functionality. This careful handle attachment process is vital to make sure users can confidently use the pan without concerns about the handle detaching. Surface treatment. This is a crucial step in getting the pan surface ready for the ceramic coating. They start by cleaning the surface, so it's super clean. They sometimes put a special coating on it to help the ceramic coating stick even better. These steps make sure the ceramic coating sticks well and the pans are top quality. Heat treatment. Heat treatment is a crucial step in making ceramic-coated pans better and tougher. The pans are heated to a specific temperature for a set time to make the ceramic coating tough and heat-resistant. Annealing is the next part, where the pans are heated and then slowly cooled. This makes the material more flexible and less likely to warp. All of these steps make sure the pans are strong and last a long time. Finishing and polishing. After the application of the ceramic coating and the heat treatment process, the pans go through finishing and polishing steps to enhance their appearance, texture, and overall quality. It all begins with a comprehensive surface inspection, where every inch of the pan is examined for any defects or imperfections. This includes the scrutiny of coating thickness, ensuring there are no rough patches or visual issues that require correction. Subsequently, the pans move on to buffing and polishing, a crucial stage where they acquire that sought-after smooth and shiny finish. Finally, a final inspection is carried out to confirm that the desired surface finish has been achieved and that there are no visible defects or blemishes. Quality control. The journey of crafting ceramic-coated pans begins with an examination of raw materials. This initial quality control stage ensures that the base materials, ceramic coatings, and other components meet the required standards. Samples may undergo testing to verify their quality. Before pans are packaged for shipping, a final inspection is conducted to confirm that they meet all quality requirements. Aspects such as appearance, finish, cleanliness, and handle attachment are scrutinized. Packaging. Making the packaging for ceramic-coated pans is super important. It should look nice and show what's inside. It needs to protect the pans during shipping using strong materials. It must also have clear labels with info about the pans, like their size and how to care for them. Some companies are also trying to be eco-friendly by using materials that don't harm the environment. And of course, the packaging must follow all the rules and be safe for shipping. This way, customers get their pans in good shape, with all the info they need, and they feel good about the brand. And there you have it. These quality pans, made with passion and precision, are sure to become your trusted kitchen companions, delivering exceptional performance and durability. So, choose quality, choose ceramic-coated pans, and elevate your cooking experience today.